Hello everyone, I am Archana Ubale, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, AISSMS IIT Pune. Today I am going to explain leaf area and its measurement techniques. Leaf area is very important point in today's modern agriculture. So we are going to see what is the leaf area. Leaf area is easy to measure leaves and they are also part of plant most responsive to their environment. The leaves are the main plant organs and responsible for the productivity of the plant and on larger scale of an ecosystem or a farm. Therefore, an understanding of leaf area and the different methods to measure it is important. Why the leaf area is important? Actually, the main function of the plant, that is the photosynthesis. The leaves are one of the most important organs that plants have. In photosynthesis, the process by which the plants produce food using light, carbon dioxide and water takes place in the leaves, and the structure of the leaves are made up for design for photosynthesis. The light is captured by the chloroplast present in the leaves and carbon dioxide is taken by the stomata, and that makes the food for the plant. The second thing is the evapotranspiration. Excessive transpiration means more irrigation and fertilization use, as water is the medium through which the plant moves nutrients internally. It is therefore easy to see how leaves are affected different plants' dynamics in both natural ecosystems and food production. The next is the leaf plasticity. So what is the leaf plasticity? Some of the parts are responsive for and react quickly to change in the environmental condition of the plants. So out of that, the leaf is the most responsive part. The leaves are considered to be the most plastic plant organ. This trait makes leaves ideal indicator for short-term and long-term changes in the environment like light, water availability, temperature, nutrient availability and soil type. So these environmental factors affect on plant and that can be able to show by the leaf or leaves of the plant, that is indicator of that. So that is called as the plastic plant organ. Then measuring of the leaf area. So there are mainly two methods of the measuring of leaf area, that is destructive and non-destructive method. So some of the common methods today we are going to explain over here. The first is the direct measurement. In this direct measurement of the leaf area, the length and width of the leaf using weighted regression equation for each species to get the leaf area. Then the equation that is used for measurement of leaf area, that is A is equal to B into L into W, where L is the length of the leaf, W is the width of the leaf, B is the leaf shape coefficient, and that varies from species to species. In area, where you get the leaf area. So you can see over in this diagram that this is the width of the leaf and this is the length of the leaf. The next method for the measurement of the leaf area, that is millimeter graph paper method. In this millimeter graph paper method, leaf is taken and tracked over a graph paper and the grid covered by the leaf are counted to give the area. This method can be both inaccurate and time consuming. It is also impractical when many measurements are necessary, and this is the destructive method. The next method is planimeter. This is the simplest tool that is used, but it is destructive. A leaf is plucked and its boundary traced. The planimeter measures the dimensions and area that get calculated. The next process is image processing. In that image processing, multiple leaves using a taut boundary area are taken from top and side. Average value of each view are calculated using leaf region regression method, region filling and area calculation. The imaging can be non-destructive and done in many ways. So image processing leaf area measurement technique, that is the non-destructive method for measurement. And next is the digital scanner. Digital scanner and their accompanying software use a pixel counting method to measure leaf area. This method is a fast and non-destructive method. It is the best to take measurement of leaves around sunrise and sunset when the leaves under least stress from light and heat. The leaf chosen for measurement must be from plant parts exposed to sunlight. Measure 2 randomly selected leaves from each plant. Take measurements from at least 10 plants in the field. So these are the some requirements for the measurement of the leaf area. Thank you.